we presented in 2013 the Concept R19, this bike turned out to be very successful. We think there is much more room and space, and the time is right to subscribe this story.
BMW has a very long tradition of classic motorcycles, and we wanted to do with this motorcycle reinterpret that history, but in a relevant and for today's customers.
All the technology is on the outside, it's visible. So the engine, the axle, the brake calipers, everything is visible, and it has to be designed, it has to have a nice look, it has to speak the semantics.
We have lots of nice details, but the main thing is how it sits on its wheels. We are very proud of the proportions of the motorcycle.
It lives from the elegance and from the simplicity, the power of simplicity. And on a bike like this with almost no fairing, this is the biggest challenge to achieve a very clean look.